Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland. We are outside right now with another Auto World unboxing. This is 2023's Release 1. This is version A. I'm going to try not to bump the table, and I'm going to try not to pull the table back towards me because that's what will happen. All right. So anyway, we have version A. I did version B already. Great mix. Two new castings. We have the long-awaited Dodge Caravan. We have the 3000 GT, the 1991, which I guess is not really a new casting, given that it was released already in the Auto World store in that racing livery. So anyway, I'm very excited for this one. I got this from 3000 Toys. It is, don't mind this, it's just poison ivy. It's disgusting. I'll try to keep it off camera. 3000 Toys, sealed case. I do get to see them in Walmart occasionally and Target occasionally, but this is a good way for that ultra red opportunity, right? So here you go, A case right there, and let's see what we got here. Okay. All right. So first up is the 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V in cream. All right. This is a monster of a casting. Great color combination. It's actually, it's not two-tone. It's got the color matched interior there. Very, very cool. Very large. It's got a license plate in the front and the back. I like it. Put that off to the side there. Next up, we have the 1983 Silverado Stepside in black. Now this one is pretty cool. It's the lower chassis here. It's got a decorated bed there. Kind of see it. It's a little wood grain. It's got the silver, and otherwise it is pretty sharp. Nice, looking good. All right, next up we have, here it is, the 1984 Dodge Caravan. This one is finished off in beige crystal coat. It's got the wood grain. It's got the small white line tires. It is phenomenal. License plate front, or license plate in the rear. Chrome roof rack. Looking good there. Very excited for this casting. Nice. All right, next up we have the Long Beach Red Metallic. This is a 2020 Chevy Corvette, the C8 Corvette, the mid-engine Corvette, so you can see the engines right back here. It's got side mirrors, it's got black wheels, it's got nice detailing. Nice looking car here. 1, 2, 3, we got 2 more to go. Try not to push this off the edge. All right, next up is 97 Toyota Supra. This is their European casting here. It has that European hood scoop. Otherwise, we got the chrome wheels. We have the fender markers right there. It's painted on. European license plate in the back. They put a plate on the front there. Chrome wheels, I think I just mentioned that. And it's in super white. So, very, very nice car. Which leaves the 3000 GT. Is it going to be in ultra red and not the Tahitian green or whatever color it is? It is not. It is Jamaican blue poly. How cool is that? Great color, great details, great casting. I'm very much looking forward to more of these. Look at that. 3000 GT VR4. It's a 1991 first generation pop-up headlights. VR4, of course, is the all-wheel drive twin turbo 3-liter V6. Twin turbo on the license plate back there. It says twin turbo right here. Can't really see it, but that's what it says. Nice spoiler, nice looking car. So again, Auto World 2023 Release 1, version A. This is a good one, but this is an even better one. So thanks for viewing. Check out the other videos. I have version B is up, and we'll catch you in the next one.